Hey everyone, it's Mark here. Today we're diving into the world of 4K with the Samsung 55-inch class DU7200 series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV. Quite a name, right? You can find this gem at Best Buy, with the model number UN55DU7200FXZA and SKU 6575355. This sleek TV is priced around $359.99, but let's see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. So, grab your popcorn, and let's dive into what makes this Samsung TV special. We're talking stunning 4K resolution, vibrant colors thanks to Crystal UHD, and a bunch of smart features powered by Tizen. Is this the ultimate entertainment upgrade you've been waiting for? Stick around to find out! Alright, let's dive into the unboxing experience. We got the TV out and guess what? No damage, always a relief. Setting it up was a breeze, just a few cables to plug in, and we were good to go. The design, super sleek and minimal. Nothing too flashy, which I love. The bezels are so thin they practically disappear when the screen is on. Talk about immersive. Now, let's chat about the remote. It's slim, lightweight, and feels great in your hand. No more of those clunky remotes from the Stone Ages. Plus, it's got dedicated buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, and even Samsung TV Plus. So convenient. We'll circle back to that later, but overall, first impressions, pretty solid. Can't wait to see what this baby can do. Alright, let's dive into the good stuff. The star of the show here is definitely the 55-inch 4K display, and trust me, it's a treat for the eyes. We're talking about 4 times the resolution of your standard HD TV, which means super sharp details and vibrant colors. Imagine seeing every blade of grass in nature documentaries or the intricate patterns on your favorite superhero's suit. The Crystal UHD technology really makes everything pop. Samsung uses this tech to enhance the colors, making them jump right off the screen. I tried it out with Guardians of the Galaxy Vol 3, and wow, the space scenes were absolutely stunning. Explosions were more vibrant, alien landscapes were more detailed, and Star-Lord's leather jacket looked amazing. Bottom line, if you love stunning visuals like I do, you're gonna be thrilled with this display. Alright, let's dive into the smart stuff. This Samsung TV comes with the latest Tizen operating system, which is like the brain of the TV. Now I get it, you might be thinking, oh no, another complicated smart TV interface. And trust me, I've been there too. But the Tizen OS on this TV is surprisingly smooth and easy to use. Navigating through menus and switching between apps feels quick and responsive. No lag, no hassle, just pure entertainment. One of the coolest features is the Universal Guide. It gathers content from all your favorite streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, you name it, and puts it all in one place. So instead of hopping from app to app, you can just scroll through this one guide and see what's on. It even gives you recommendations based on what you've watched. Pretty cool, right? Alright, so we've seen that Tizen is pretty smooth, but let's take a closer look. The interface is laid out in a way that just makes sense. It's got a clean, modern look with big, bold icons that are easy to see from across the room. And like I mentioned before, navigating through menus is a breeze. One thing I really love is how customizable it is. You can rearrange the apps on your home screen however you like, so all your favorite apps are just a click away. You can even tweak the picture settings for each input so your gaming console can have a different look than your Blu-ray player. It's all about giving you the power to make it just right for you. So, you've got this awesome 4K TV, but it's no fun if you can't connect all your gadgets, right? Don't worry, Samsung's got your back. It's got 3 HDMI ports, perfect for your gaming console, Blu-ray player, and even a streaming stick if you're feeling fancy. Plus there are 2 USB ports for your external hard drives or other gadgets. And for the old school fans, it even has a component input, so you can hook up your vintage gaming consoles or VCR players. Yep, I said VCR. Plus, it's got built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect wirelessly to your home network and other Bluetooth devices. Alright, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Every gadget has its quirks, and the Samsung 55-inch DU7200 is no different. Let's kick things off with the good stuff. The picture quality, as we mentioned earlier, is absolutely stunning. 4K resolution, Crystal UHD technology, vibrant colors, you name it. The smart features are also a big win, with Tizen being super smooth and user-friendly. Now on to the not-so-great stuff. The sound quality is okay, but it's nothing to write home about. It works fine for everyday viewing, but if you're a serious cinephile or audiophile, you might want to think about getting a soundbar or surround sound system. Another thing to keep in mind is that the viewing angles aren't the best. The picture quality starts to fade a bit when you're viewing from the sides, so this TV is best for smaller rooms or when you're sitting directly in front of it. So, the big question is the Samsung 55-inch DU7200 worth your hard-earned rupees? Well, at $359.99 it's definitely a mid-range option, but it offers a lot of bang for your buck. You're getting a stunning 4K display, a smooth and easy-to-use smart TV interface, and a sleek design that'll look great in any living room. If you're looking for a solid all-around 4K TV and you're not super picky about sound quality or viewing angles, then this TV is definitely worth considering. It's a fantastic option for casual viewers, gamers, and anyone who wants to upgrade their home entertainment setup without breaking the bank. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. The Samsung 55-inch DU7200 is a fantastic 4K TV that gives you a lot of bang for your buck. It's got a gorgeous display, a super easy-to-use interface, and a sleek design. Sure, the sound quality and viewing angles aren't perfect, but they're not deal breakers, especially if you're watching from straight on. So, who should get this TV? I'd say it's perfect for budget-conscious folks, casual viewers, and anyone looking to upgrade from an older HD TV. It's also a great pick for gamers who want a responsive display with vibrant colors. All in all, the Samsung 55-inch DU7200 is a solid choice that offers a great mix of features, performance, and affordability. Catch you later.